Make sure you subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon.
Why to root in 2020? A very popular question asked by many of phone enthusiasts. If you are using phone without customization, then it's still not yours. It belongs to that particular brand. If you are using that laggy MIUI or that cartoony color OS, or you are using stock Android, then you are limited to certain features. You only get couple of features such as turning on that dark mode on or off, couple of gestures and some tweaks here and there. Well, it's so boring for me to stuck on that features. Well, I guess it is for you too. That's why you are here watching this video, right? Well, don't worry guys, I am here for you to clarify this. Is it still worth it to take this many efforts to just root your phone? Well, before moving forward guys, let me introduce myself. I am Bhushan on Tech Insider and thank you for stopping by. First thing is, if you are rooting your phone, then whole new world of Android is open to you. After rooting, one app will be installed known as MAGISK Manager. Well, what is this MAGISK Manager? I will get back to it in a minute. Well, second advantage of rooting is that you can gain massive performance boost by installing custom kernels onto your phone. Well, these custom kernels are designed by professional developers. Well, third reason why to root your phone is that you can also gain a performance boost by overclocking your CPU. To overclock your CPU, a certain app is required which is known as CPU-Z. It is available on Play Store. Although I will not recommend you to use this app if you don't know anything about overclocking your CPU. Fourth is the reason why most of us root our phone, so that we can install custom ROM onto our phone. Well, what is this custom ROM? Well, this custom ROM is basically an operating system which offers lots of customization packed in it, and it is built by some of very genius developers, and it is also free to use. Well, let me give you example of these ROMs. ROMs such as CR Droid, Pixel Experience, Evolution X, Resurrection Remix and lots many. Well, all of these ROMs comes with their special ability. You can also say this ROM comes with the special power. Each ROM is unique in itself. Let us now talk about CR Droid. CR Droid is one of ROM which is highly focused for gaming. Well, on other hand, Havoc OS, Evolution X and Pixel Experience are the ROM which can be used as daily drivers. These ROMs also offer lots of customization in their own. Well, if you wanna know how to root your phone and install custom ROM onto your phone, then I made a complete tutorial on unlocking bootloader, installing custom recovery and then to install custom ROM. A video card is now shown on that I button. Feel free to check this video after this one. And I guess until now you have subscribed to my channel. If not, then please subscribe to my channel because it is absolutely free. Well guys, let us move forward and talk about fifth reason. The fifth reason is that you can install custom port on your phone. These custom ports are available only for certain devices such as Poco F1. Well guys, great news. I have Poco F1 with me. In this Poco F1, I installed a custom port which is of OnePlus 7. Here you can see it displays a device name which is OnePlus 7. This is the advantage of using custom port. You can enjoy features of flagship phone on these budget phones. All these were the major features of rooting, and we are still on the surface of rooting. Let us now dive deep. Now comes the modules. What are these mods and how to install them? Well guys, do you remember the MAGISK Manager which I mentioned earlier in this video? Yes, the same MAGISK Manager. From there you can install these mods. These are the big daddy of our game in rooting. Let me introduce you with certain mods. The very popular mod is known as Viper FX. This mod is used for heavy customization for your audio output on your phone. Next one is Greenify and Nighttime. This mod is used to improve your battery life and overall health of your phone. This is also used for dosing your phone, so to get most out of your battery. Well, you don't know what is dosing in Android, don't worry, just leave it. Now comes the next reason, which is you can install custom fonts, skins and emoji changer. As name says, you can modify your fonts, emojis and also change your skins. What are these skins? In MAGISK Manager, you can find a module name as Pixelify or Oxify. By using this Pixelify, you can turn your device into Pixel device. Or by using this Oxify, you can turn your stock Android phone into Oxygen OS. Well guys, this was all about MAGISK Manager. You can also get mods from Exposed Framework. Now let us move forward and look for another reason why to root in 2020. By rooting, you can get certain applications such as Lucky Patcher. Lucky Patcher is used to hack and generate mods of your own. You can also hack into Wi-Fi network and also have a total access over the Wi-Fi network. You can also kick out people from their own Wi-Fi. Well, how to do this, you need to find it on your own. Well, all these are some of the pros of routing. Now let us move towards the con. First and the major con of routing is that it will void your warranty. Well, second disadvantage of routing is that some of your banking app will fail to work sometimes. Although there is a solution for it, you can always use MAGISK to hide your root from this banking app. Then you might also have a problem with safety net. That's it for today's video. I don't see any other disadvantages leaving this. Well, I guess now you guys are clear whether you want to root your phone or you don't want to root your phone. Let me know down below by commenting down in the comment section. And don't forget to check the other video which is pinned in that I button. And don't leave this video without subscribing to my channel so that I can bring you lot many content like this. Now it's time to go. Make sure to stay home and stay safe. Peace out.
Make sure you subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon.